الشخصية توجه
We're
إلى
moving
أقرب
part
المخارج
2.
إليك ثم اركز على الزلاقة. لمزيد من المعلومات يمكنكم الاطلاع على بطاقة السلامة الموجودة في جيب المقعد.
Excuse me, may mga Pilipinong walang seatbelt.
واتباع التعليمات المدونة هنالك. هذا ويوجد لكل مقعد زر لاستدعاء ملاحين مقصورة عند الحاجة. استعدادا للإقلاع عليكم التأكد من أن أحزمة مقاعدكم مربوطة، ظهور ملحقات المقاعد في أوضاعها الطبيعية، وستائر النوافذ مفتوحة. شكرا لانتباهكم ونتمنى لكم رحلة سعيدة. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety and comfort, the regulations of the General Authority of Civil Aviation require passengers to comply with light signs, posted placards, and crew member directions, in addition to the following safety instructions. Please ensure to place your hand baggage under the seat or in the overhead compartment, and exercise extreme caution to avoid falling of items. The use of mobile phone is strictly prohibited throughout the flight. To use any other electronic devices, please inform one of the flight attendants. Your seat belt must be fastened now. To fasten the belt, insert the metal tab into the buckle. To release, lift the metal flap and detach the two ends. Smoking is not allowed in all sectors of this cabin. It is prohibited to tamper with smoke detectors fitted in the lavatory. In case of cabin decompression, oxygen masks will drop in front of you. Take the nearest mask immediately, pull it down, and secure it over your nose and mouth. Put on your mask before helping others. In compliance with flying over water regulations, a life vest is provided for each seat. When instructed, flip the life vest over your head, fasten the belt around your waist with the buckle, and pull it tight.
Attention.
At the exit,
Kapagalitan sila.
inflate the life vest by pulling the tabs down or blowing into the tubes at the top. Then follow the flight attendant's instructions. There are emergency exits on either side of the aircraft. In case of emergency evacuation, the aisles will be illuminated with guiding lights that lead to the exit. At that time, remove your shoes, leave all your hand baggage behind, reach your nearest exit, and jump onto the flight. For more information, please read the safety card in the seat pocket. If you are seated in a row next to an emergency exit, you should read and follow the instructions therein. A flight attendant call button is provided for each seat to be used when needed. Please ensure that your belts are fastened, seat bags and accessories are in their original position, and window shades open.
Huwag ka na lang videoan, hindi niya na ako nakikita kasi madilim eh. Pagbaba na lang sa Pinas. Okay? Bye-bye!
Hello ka talaga.
Say bye-bye.
Annyeong.
Ma, say bye-bye. Taray!